Welcome back to Stoic Crypto. Runes continue to gain momentum as the overall crypto market has been bleeding out. And we've talked about the fact that runes have shown strength. You can see over the last 24 hours, one-day volume, Dog Go to the Moon and Billion Dollar Cat have been the clear winners and continue to lead the Bitcoin Runes ecosystem. And I love seeing that it's a dog and a cat that are competing against each other. Obviously, I'm rooting for both of them. So nothing I say here is financial advice for education purposes only. But I like to see, right, the most memeable things, a dog and a cat, helping to build out a meme coin ecosystem on the world's largest blockchain. We're going to take a quick look at Dog and Billy, and then we're going to go to MEXC and buy some Dog. In my last video, I covered that MEXC announced that they will be adding spot dog trading, and so we're going to go ahead and test that out in a second. Let's take a look at Dog Go to the Moon. You can see that the chart has been in an uptrend, trading just under 10 sats, and the market cap is now over 600 million. Volume's picking up with 26 buys. Let's take a look at Billion Dollar Cat. So they've added almost 1,000 holders in just the last 3 days, and they are approaching the 60 million market cap with 22 buys pending, so volume's picked up there as well. Let's take a look at the 6-hour volume. So Billion Dollar Cat and Dog Go to the Moon are neck and neck on the 6-hour. Again, this is great to see the competition between these two. Rising tide lifts all ships. Stupid Silly Cat is way up over the last day. Psycho Hamster posts a lot on X. Almost everything is looking up. One other thing I'll point out quickly is Lobo the Wolf Pup. So Lobo the Wolf Pup, which is rune etch number 9, right? It's a top 10 etched rune, sitting at about 43 million market cap with 58,000 holders. Also is going to have some exposure, it looks like, to MEXC. MEXC posted this yesterday regarding Lobo the Wolf Pup. So it's great to see runes starting to pop up on some of the bigger centralized trading exchanges like MEXC. So Dog went live trading spot on MEXC. Let's go ahead and test this out. So I typically just use MEXC to buy Caspa, but now I'll probably use it to trade a little bit of Dog as well. If you go to MEXC, create an account, and then type in Dog, you'll now see Dog USDT trading pair. So let's click on that. Assessment zone instructions will pop up, basically just telling you this is a new listing, and just click accept and continue. All right, so I want to test out buying some of this. Looks like there's quite a bit of volume on it right now. Again, Dog USDT, which is Tether stablecoin pair. So I have some Tether in this account, about $60 worth, and so I'm gonna go ahead and test out buying some Dog Go to the Moon on MEXC. We're just gonna do a market order for the sake of this video. You can do limit orders on here as well. MEXC is a pretty user-friendly platform. Again, I use it mainly to acquire Caspa, but they have a ton of different coins you can trade on here, so I highly recommend checking it out. I'll put my link in the description, which will help support the channel if you do decide to use it and sign up. So I'm going to go ahead and market by the max amount of Tether I have. So I'm going to click buy Dog. All right, so if I scroll down and then go to open positions, you can see I now have that much Dog, estimated value. And what I like about MEXC too, this will update in real time, right, if the price goes up or down, to see your unrealized P&L. Again, MEXC is very user-friendly. I would highly recommend checking it out, especially if you are interested in buying Caspa. It's a really good way to do that. Sticking with runes, Dog Go to the Moon being on MEXC, and then potentially Lobo the Wolf Pup is a big deal because it opens up runes to a much larger audience, right, that is not necessarily comfortable with creating an X-First wallet and going to Magic Eden and buying huge lot sizes of Dog. They'd much rather just access it this way, right, through a centralized trading platform like MEXC. So I do think it's a huge deal. So my focus has been and will continue to be on runes, on the Bitcoin Runes ecosystem. I feel like it's still early. If we do see some of that volume rotating from other chains, things could get very interesting this summer and fall. So thanks for taking time to watch this video. If it was helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next one.